Discovery learning. The definition of discovery learning
is a technique of inquiry-based learning and is considered a constructivist-based approach to education, where students are encouraged to construct their own knowledge through a self-directed learning process, essentially instructionless learning.
The characteristic.
1. Problem solving. In discovery learning, students explore and solve problems actively, creating a deeper understanding. Number 2. Student-centered learning. Student-centered learning means putting students in charge, making choice, and being engaged in their learning. Number 3. Connecting new and existing knowledge. Activities in discovery learning connect new knowledge with what students already know, helping them understand topic better and build a strong knowledge base.
The relationship between learning models and lesson plans about discovery learning is symbiotic. Learning models provide the theoretical foundation for effective discovery learning activities, while lesson plans translate those models into concrete steps and instruction for teachers to follow in the classroom. Learning models are essentially blueprints or frameworks that guide the design and implementation of effective learning experience. They provide teachers with a structured approach to organizing content, activities, and assessment in a way that promotes students' engagement and understanding.
Next is syntax. Syntax contains general instruction in determining the type of teacher actions, their sequence, and tasks for students. The syntax of discovery learning is as follows. Stimulation. At this stage, the instructor will give some question to provoke curiosity and interest of the learners. The second is problem statement. The second stage is problem statement is where the instructor provides an opportunity to identify problems that become learning materials. The third is data collection. The hypothesis has been formed. Then participants can start collecting data and information related to answering the hypothesis. The fourth is data processing. Data and information have been collected. Then participants can begin to analyze and process the data. The fifth is verification. The result of data processing are then carefully checked and examined. The last stage is generalization. Participants draw conclusions and can be used as general principle for all the same events or problems.
Advantages of discovery approach. Students are actively involved in the process of learning and the topics are usually intrinsically motivating. The activities used in discovery context are often more meaningful than the typical classroom exercise and textbook study. Students acquire investigative and reflective skills that can be generalized and applied in other contexts. The approach builds on students' prior knowledge and experience. Independent in learning is encouraged. It is claimed that students are more likely to remember concepts and information if they discover them on their own. Group working skills are enhanced. New skills and strategies are learned in context. Disadvantages of discovery approach. Discovery can be a very time-consuming method, often taking much longer for information to be acquired than will occur with direct teaching. Discovery methods often require a research-rich learning environment. Effective learning by discovery usually depends upon learners having acquired literacy, numeracy, independent study skill, and self-management. Students might learn little of value from discovery activities if they lack an acquired knowledge base for interpreting their discoveries accurately. Young children often have difficulty forming options, making predictions or drawing conclusions from evidence. They have a major problem with inductive reasoning. Teachers are not necessarily good at creating and managing discovery learning environments, resulting sometimes in poor outcomes.